Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a file or folder that will not delete on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to do is open up a web browser. And I'm going to have a link to a MajorGeeks hosted web page here for the Unlocker utility. Select the Download Now button. And if the first link didn't work, you might have to do the second download link on that page. So if for some reason the download now button doesn't work or the installer version, you might have to select one of these other downloads here. But anyway, go ahead and open up this file to run it and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Go ahead and select OK. It's going to say welcome to the Unlocker Setup Wizard. Go ahead and select finish and I agree. Now I would recommend selecting advanced. I usually uncheck installing toolbars and changing home pages and that kind of thing. I'm going to go ahead and select next, next again, and then install. And then you can select finish. You can remove this program too when we're done with it. But let's just say there's a folder on our desktop that isn't being able to be deleted. Like let's just say this folder here. If I were to open up the search menu and search for Unlocker, best match will come back with Start Unlocker. Go ahead and open that up. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Now you just would navigate to your computer directory or file path of the folder you're unable to remove. So let's say again it says new folder here. Just go ahead and select it and select OK. Now it will give us abilities to click in the drop down and select delete, rename, or move this folder, again depending on our preference here. But for the purpose of this video, let's say delete, select OK, and then it should say the object was deleted. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.